Laseringph is a research project funded by the Spanish government, granted in 2021, with a duration of 3 years, until 2025. It is focused on two important topics related to conservation of pictorial heritage. First, laser as a method to clean cultural heritage materials, and secondly, conservation of ancient wall paintings, particularly cave, fresco and tempera paints. Laseringph is a multi- and interdisciplinary project with an intensive collaboration among researchers from 3 different countries: Spain, Italy and Portugal. They work on conservation and restoration of cultural heritage, photonics, impacts of climate changes on construction materials, mineralogy and petrology. This project is coordinated by the Universidade de Vigo. The general objective of Laseringph is to advance in the knowledge of the interaction between laser radiation and wall paintings, in order to define a safe methodology to use different lasers to clean cave, fresco and tempera paints. Initially, we apply different lasers on tablets composed by the pigments or the binders themselves. This allows us to identify the damage threshold for each pigment and binder. Then, the same lasers are applied on the paints composed by these pigments using different pictorial techniques in order to know the influence of the binder-pigment interaction on the effects by the laser. Later, on the one hand, fresco and tempera paints are artificially aged using a climatic chamber, soot and sulfur dioxide gas. On the other hand, artificial silica crusts are developed on the cave paints. Once paints are artificially aged, lasers are applied to determine their optimal conditions, considering the characteristics of the paints, the characteristics of the lasers, it means active medium, wavelength and pulse duration, and also the nature of the crust.